Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can limit who you can communicate with during allowed screen time on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then go down and tap on Communication Limits. In here, tap on During Screen Time. Now put in the screen time passcode. Then you can limit to contacts only, contacts and groups with at least one contact, or everyone. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.